Hello everybody. I'm addressing a problem that many people have with their vintage car radios, whether it's one that they already have installed in the car or maybe have bought on eBay or flea market, like this Becker Monte Carlo. It's a nice unit. It's in very, very good condition, probably not been used much, and it's a unit which normally gets fitted to cars like the Alfa Romeos, Ferraris, MGB, but it's a universal faceplate, so it would fit a lot of cars. But the drawback of this very radio is that it's got AM only and nothing else. Works perfectly, got it in functioning fine, picks up a whole lot of stations, but they're just foreign and pretty far away, and you can only pick them up at night because in Europe they're switching off the AM stations left, right, and center. So you do get quite a couple, but it's going less and less. Try shortwave, for example. Propagation not so good at the moment, and long wave basically is dead anyway. There's just one station left, and that's Europe 1 sending in France, and you can hardly pick it up here in Germany. And the rest is just a lot of buzz, and interference which you get from switching power supplies and so on. So it basically degrades the usability of this radio. But there is a solution to this, and it's by a company in America. It's Aurora. They build a small FM receiver which can be added on to a radio with a AM only receiver. I'll show you this. It's this small unit here. And it's not standalone, and basically what it does, it sniffs the frequency of the local oscillator AM, and that means that the radio, it must work on AM, it must work perfectly, otherwise this FM conversion isn't going to work. And to switch it on, or to switch over from AM to FM basically, you turn the radio off the radio off quickly and back on. And now we're on FM. Sorry, only works if you have it on AM. Not long wave, not short wave, only on AM.
Everybody want the location sunny.
And an added bonus is here that it has an auxiliary input which also feeds the signal to the potentiometer for loudness. So if I turn the radio off and on again, now I'm auxiliary mode, and I can plug in my smartphone.
Here's the place we say.
I didn't want that jingle, but never mind.
We hope this helps you.
There we go. So it works as well. And if I switch it off and on again, I'm on AM. Off and on again, I'm on FM.
Mr. John's RT.
There's excellent reception.
Ce que j'essaye de faire dans mon
Off and on again. And I'm auxiliary mode. So this is one solution how it can be done to convert an old AM only car radio for FM and aux in. That does help.